In this video, you will learn how to get a custom URL for your YouTube channel in 2021. Open a web browser like Google Chrome. Go to www.youtube.com and make sure that you are logged in with your account to YouTube. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of your screen and go to YouTube Studio. On the left side of the screen, click on Customization. And click on Basic Info. Click on Set a custom URL for your channel. Custom URL. Give fans an easy to remember web address for your channel. A custom URL is a shorter, easy to remember URL that you can share with your audience. These can be based on your current display name, legacy username, or your linked and verified web domain. A custom URL must start with your real name or channel name. For example, Loran Nebbeling 123. And click on Publish. Confirm custom URL. Once a custom URL is set, it can't be changed or transferred to a different channel. Your custom URL is ready to be set to. Click on Confirm. Congratulations! Now you know how to get a custom URL for your YouTube channel. If you are having problems with getting a custom URL, have a look at the custom URL eligibility. To create a custom URL for your channel, your account needs to have 100 or more subscribers, be at least 30 days old, have an uploaded profile picture, and have uploaded a banner image.